When it comes to approving medicines in Europe, the system works very differently from a single country regulator. Instead of one authority making all decisions, the European Union follows a coordinated network approach, combining centralized evaluation with national level approvals. At the heart of this system is the European Medicines Agency, widely known as the EMA. But here's the key point: not all drugs follow the same approval route. In the European Union, there are three major pathways for getting a medicine approved: the centralized procedure, the decentralized procedure, and the mutual recognition procedure. Each pathway is designed for a specific situation, depending on the type of drug and the company's market strategy. Let's break them down one by one. The first and most powerful pathway is the centralized procedure. Under this route, a pharmaceutical company submits a single application directly to the EMA. The evaluation is conducted by scientific experts, including the Committee for Medicinal Products for Human Use. Once the scientific review is completed, the EMA gives its opinion. This opinion is then sent to the European Commission, which makes the final legally binding decision. And here's the biggest advantage. With just one approval, the medicine becomes authorized across all European Union member states. That means a company can launch its product simultaneously in multiple countries without applying separately in each one. This pathway is mandatory for certain types of medicines, including biotechnology products, advanced therapies like gene and cell treatments, and orphan drugs for rare diseases. It is also often chosen for innovative medicines that aim for broad European access. In short, the centralized procedure offers maximum reach with a single decision. Now let's move to the second pathway, the decentralized procedure or DCP. This route is used when a medicine has not yet been approved in any EU country. Instead of applying through the EMA, the company submits applications to multiple EU member states at the same time. Among these countries, one is selected as the reference member state or RMS. The RMS takes the lead in evaluating the application and prepares a detailed assessment report. The other participating countries are called concerned member states or CMS. These countries review the RMS assessment and provide feedback. If all countries agree with the evaluation, the medicine is approved in each of those countries. So unlike the centralized route, approvals under DCP are still national, but they are coordinated. Think of it as a synchronized approval process across several countries. This pathway is commonly used for generic medicines, well-established drugs, and products that are not required to go through the centralized route. It provides flexibility, but it also requires careful coordination between multiple regulatory authorities. Finally, we have the mutual recognition procedure or MRP. This pathway is used when a medicine has already been approved in one EU member state. That country becomes the reference member state. Now, the company wants to expand its market to other EU countries. Instead of starting from scratch, the company asks other countries to recognize the existing approval. The RMS shares its assessment report with the new concerned member states. If those countries agree with the original evaluation, they grant approval based on that recognition. In simple terms, MRP allows companies to expand from one approved country to many others. However, if disagreements arise, the process may move into coordination or arbitration procedures to resolve differences. MRP is often used as a stepwise expansion strategy, starting with one country and gradually entering others. So how do these three pathways compare? The centralized procedure provides a single approval valid across the entire EU. The decentralized procedure allows simultaneous approvals in multiple countries without prior authorization. And the mutual recognition procedure builds on an existing national approval to expand into additional markets. Each pathway offers a different balance of speed, reach, and complexity. But no matter which route is chosen, the goal remains the same. Every medicine must meet strict standards for quality, safety, and effectiveness. The European system is designed to combine scientific expertise with regulatory collaboration, ensuring that patients across all member states receive safe and reliable treatments. Because in the end, whether approval comes through one central decision or multiple coordinated ones, the mission is clear: to deliver trusted medicines to millions of people across Europe, efficiently, safely, and consistently.
Subscribe to MedPharma Global on YouTube. Get the latest medical and pharmaceutical updates. Click the subscribe button and join our community.